Greetings, and welcome to our course on building an idle business tycoon game using Unity3D and PlayMaker. First off, many thanks for purchasing this course. I'm your instructor, Greg Moss. I've been a system architect and system developer for more than 30 years. Now I'm very happy to share this new course in which we build an entire game from scratch using Unity3D and PlayMaker. I believe this to be one of the best courses you will find on Udemy if you have never developed a video game previously. Without writing a single line of code, you will learn how to build a functional working idle business tycoon game while learning important game development principles. Perhaps you have taken a few programming courses before and have started learning C# or maybe Python or another computer language. The good news is that visual programming in PlayMaker will help you better understand game design, game architecture, and the Unity development environment. The skills you learn in this course can allow you to begin making games right away and give you the confidence to learn more complex development languages. Some of us just learn better visually. Maybe you have felt stuck or struggle a bit with learning how to program using C# or other languages. If you're one of the people that learn better visually, then a course like this may be a better approach to learning game development for you. Then, when you go on to working with real code or with languages such as C#, it's just going to be that much easier. I also believe that using a visual programming tool like PlayMaker can have great value for even experienced coders. Visual programming requires you to think about game design and architecture from a different perspective. As a professional developer for more than 30 years, I found visual programming to be an enjoyable and welcome break from my more traditional languages. And I have learned dozens of languages, and I still think visual programming has its place. It can be great for prototyping, and it allows different approaches to problems. Even better, if you're an experienced developer, you can integrate C# scripts using custom actions that give you the power to extend beyond the visual programming features of PlayMaker. The game we make in this course has some of the standard idle features that are found in games like Adventure Capitalist. We start at the very beginning of the project, so even if you've never made a game before, you can follow along with this course. You get to see everything, every step of the way. So once again, thanks for joining this course, and I look forward to having you as a student.